Hello everyone, welcome to the Devputer Software. So today we will learn about what is VirtualBox. Okay, so it's one of software is there. Maybe many time you have heard that someone is installing operating system inside the VirtualBox. So we will learn what is actually VirtualBox is. Okay, so just consider that you want to install multiple operating system into the single machine. So how can you install that? Let's say you want to install a Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 10, Ubuntu, different Linux version, Macintosh, all into the single machine. How can you achieve that thing? So to achieving that thing, actually VirtualBox is created. So consider you have single machine and you want to install Windows version OS, Linux and Macintosh into the single machine. Okay. So that was main purpose for that VirtualBox creation. So just consider this is your machine. Now you are installing VirtualBox software inside that, and inside the VirtualBox you can create separate VirtualBox that is for Windows, Linux, Macintosh. So you can install different operating system inside the software, and software will inside virtually creates a separate machine. It will be virtual machine, not a physical hardware or anything. Okay, so inside our computer single VirtualBox software will be there, and inside the VirtualBox you can install whatever operating system you want. So VirtualBox support multiple operating systems, Windows, Linux, Macintosh, Solaris. So inside the Windows, there are different various OS versions are there, like XP, any Windows Server, Vista, Windows 7, 8, 10, DOS, lot of things. And inside the Linux, different kernel versions are there. Inside the Linux, many different OS versions are there, Ubuntu, Fedora, etc. And Solaris, Open Solaris also support OS2, Open BSD. So there are various multiple operating systems supported by VirtualBox. So originally it was created by Sun Microsystem, but later on in the it was announced that Oracle Corporation will acquire Sun Microsystem for 7.4 billion, and it acquired completely into the January 27, 2010. So it was acquired by the Oracle. Okay, so I will explain you how to install VirtualBox. Okay, so just open your Google and press VirtualBox. So it will give Oracle VM VirtualBox, virtualbox.org website. So just click there, and here you will see latest version of VirtualBox. So just here 5.2 version is available. So just click on the download VirtualBox. Okay, now inside the download you will see Windows, OS X, Linux, Solaris, different version for that VirtualBox operating system. So just click on whatever you want to install for Windows, Macintosh, or the Linux. So right now we are looking for Windows operating system. So I'm just clicking on here. So it will start download. Okay. So I have already downloaded that. So I will just show you. So here it's VirtualBox 5.2.18 is there. So just double click on that exe. It will give gen next. Then you can choose whatever path you want to install. Okay, you can browse and modify that path. Then next you can set up your like startup icon and everything. So right now we are adding startup icon. So next, and it will give that network interface. So initially your network might be disconnected, warning is there. So during installing this networking features, so I will press yes, then install. So it will start installation. And meanwhile it will ask that do you want to allow your Then do you want to allow this app to make changes into your device? So it will ask, so you have to press yes, and it will continue starting installing. Okay, so it's installing, and now it's finished. Okay, as we finish, and it will start our VirtualBox. So now you can see here it's installed. So here you can create your new VirtualBox and install different operating system. Like in Microsoft, there are different operating system versions available inside the Linux. There are different Red Hat, Mandriva, Ubuntu, different OS are there. So you can install kind of different operating system here. Okay, and after adding that your ISO image or new OS, it will it will appear here, and you can start your machine. Okay, so you can see it's very easy to install different operating system into the single machine using the VirtualBox, and it's completely free. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.